Welcome to my channel. I am the natural one. Go watch and won't stop watch.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One, and I hope you like the intro. This is another one-stop watch video. So let's get into the video, you guys. This is week 9 potatoes and garlic, and I must say everything is going well. At least it looks like it from the surface, but when I watered the potatoes and garlic, I did see some of the potatoes, and I'm like, I might need to add more dirt, or it could be the case that I didn't plant it deep enough. This is my first time growing potatoes, so if you have any tips, leave a comment because I am definitely open to suggestions. Alright you guys, let's get into this mint. For those who are new to my channel, I bought this mint 23 weeks ago from Aldi's. I am so thankful that new leaves are growing from the bottom because up top it's flowering. So hopefully I can get some seeds from it. Alright you guys, now we have the tomatoes and basil all in a milk crate. My basil looks good. Now what don't look good is this corn that died and the cucumber. I think this plant is really gone because there's cucumber on there, but it's not. It looked like they got pollinated, but it is not growing or looking good. You see what I mean? Like, that is not a healthy cucumber. The summer plants are definitely dying out. Alright you guys, let's move on to the ginger. Now this ginger shares a pot with the spaghetti squash, which was known as my mystery seed on my channel. Alright, up next is the sugar baby watermelons. Dill is also grown in the container with the watermelons. All right, you guys, and this is the cauliflower that did not make it at all because it's been feeding the critters. Now this is the herb garden, and that's the kale that's growing back because it's getting ate also. Moving on to the tower that consists of eggplants and habanero peppers. All right, you guys, I have another small eggplant. And look at that shiny little guy over there. So I took the liberty of harvesting this little guy here, and I was also considering harvesting the watermelon, but I don't think it's ready yet. If you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing. Now let's get into harvest time. I'm just showing a quick clip of me cutting the basil and the mint. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and for more videos like this, click here.